Welcome back to the lounge. Just wanted to shoot a quick little video with you guys. Got a package here that none of the guys know about right now. So I figured we'll shoot a little video, open this up and show you what we've been waiting for a very long time. So let's get to it. Well, look at this. I think you know where this is going. So we got a Haltech on our hands, everybody. Now the question is it for this car or is it for this car? Or maybe both. Yep, that's right. Don't mind if I do. There it is. Let's see if we can get to it. Nexus plug-in for the RX-8. Now the question is, do we put it on Greg's car or do we put it on my stock car? Which, by the way, the battery is dead. So, you know, anybody who's has an RX-8 maybe has experienced some parasitic loss. We'll do a whole video on that. So excited to put this thing on car. We're gonna do some videos on this, but I just thought I'd share a little bit about this and see what we see. Oh, you know what? Then let's take a look here. What else we got? Another box here. Sorry, I gotta open this thing up here. Got some cables here. Data cable, harness. So this will be fun. We'll put this together. We'll do a whole video on this, but just wanted to give you guys an update. We got a lot of feedback from Jesse's video that we shot that you can watch up here. People were suggesting we do the Haltech. We kind of teased it a little bit in that video. Yeah, we have got multiple Haltechs on the way. This was the first one that showed up. Our buddy out in Texas, Danny, he's gonna be putting one in his car. We got one here. We got another one on the way, I believe. Yeah, we're gonna decide which car we put this on first. Most likely, I think it'll be my car. So we'll see what it looks like on a stock car. Maybe do some tests, but we'll definitely keep you guys posted. We want to share this stuff with you guys because we're learning as you guys are. So stay tuned and watch out for that. See you on the next one.